Hi everyone, myself Kanakaraju Veldi, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Warangal Institute of Technology and Science. Welcome to WITS Connects. In earlier class already we discussed some of the important topics in belts. Okay, like selection of belt drives, selection of materials, and types of belt drives, types of flat belt drives, types of belts. And already we discussed one of the important topic, velocity ratio of the belt drive. Okay, today our topic is slip of the belt. Slip of the belt. In this topic is most important in belt drives. Like this is one of the belt drive. In this belt drive consists two pulleys, pulley 1, pulley 2. In this one, power transmit to pulley 1 to pulley 2. Okay, power transmit to one shaft to another shaft using pulleys and belt. Okay, in this one, driver pulley D1, diameter 1, N1, V1, driven pulley D2, N2, V2. Okay, this is driver and this is driven. What is the slip? Okay, slip is a frictional grip. This is the frictional grip. The frictional grip becomes insufficient. This may cause some forward motion of the driver. This may cause forward motion of the driver without carrying the belt. That is called a slip of the belt drive. If carrying the belt, okay, if for suppose in this belt and the pulley is there is a frictional loss is there, then after that insufficient of frictional grip is there, then after that forward the motion of the belt, motion of the driver, forward to the motion of the driver, that is called slip of the belt. In this slip of the belt we consider like in this denoted by S. Slip is denoted by S, and we consider percentage in percentage, slip percentage. Okay, there is a two pulleys and in this one there is a two slips, S1 and S2. S means total slip. Total slip S is equal to S1 plus S2. Okay, this is important. Okay, and coming to the what is slip 1? Slip 1 percentage means slip between the driver and belt. Slip between the driver pulley and belt. And S2 means slip between the driven follower pulley and belt. Okay, slip S1 and S2. Next, coming to the velocity of the belt passing over the driver per second, that is equal to like velocity of the belt passing over the driver per second. This is one condition. In this condition, over the belt velocity V is equal to V1 minus V2 into percentage slip. In this one adding slip S1 minus 1 minus S by 100. 1 minus S by 100. Okay, in this one velocity of the belt passing over the driver per second. In this one V is equal to pi D1 N1 by 60 minus pi d2 d1 again d1 n1 by 60 into s1 by 100. Okay, in this one v is equal to pi d1 n1 common by 60 is common into 1 minus s1 by 100. This is velocity of the belt, driver. Okay, and next coming to the velocity of the, see again, velocity of the belt passing over the driver per second, over the driver only, over the driver. V is equal to pi d1 n1 by 60, pi d1 n1 only driver pulley diameter, speed and v1 we consider 60 minus pi d1 n1 by and 60 into slip percentage is converted into numbers numerical s1 by 100. That's why v minus pi d1 n1 by 60 into 1 minus s1 by 100. Okay, next velocity velocity of the belt, passing over the follower nothing but driven pulley per second. Okay, this another condition. In this condition, pi v is equal to, in this condition v is equal to v2 minus v2 like direct pi d2 into by 60 is equal to v minus v into s by 100. Okay, in this one v into 1 minus s2 by 100. Okay, using this one substitute the values of v from equation 1 is, our equation 1 is, this is our first equation, that is first equation 1, pi d2 into by 60 is equal to pi d1 n1 by 60 into 1 minus s1 by 100 into 1 minus s2 by 100. In this one pi cancel, pi cancel and 60 also cancel. Okay, using this one d2 n2 is equal to d1 n1 into 1 minus s1 by 100 into s1 by 100 into 1 minus s2 by 100. Okay, this one n2 by n1 is equal to d1 by t2 into 1 minus s1 plus s2. Simplify this one by 100. Okay, simplify this one 100. Let's see. This is the second one condition. After that actually right again I am writing again this equation n2 by n1 is equal to d1 by d2 into 1 minus s1 plus s2 by 100. Already we know that s1 plus s1 plus, therefore s is equal to s1 plus s2. Using this one, n2 by n1 is equal to d1 by d2 into 1 minus s by 100. Okay, this is a consider slip. Consider ring slip. Okay, total slip. This is total slip. This is total slip. This is a, in this one is individual slips, slip 1, slip 2. Okay, and coming to the without, this one is without thickness, only slip. Consider slip with thickness and slip. With thickness, considering thickness and slip, total slip. Okay, in this one condition, in velocity ratio is equal to n2 by n1 is equal to d1 by d2 into, or with consider thickness t1 plus t by d2 plus t into 1 minus s by 100. This is a considering thickness and total slip. Okay, this is one condition. Okay, without thickness and slip, that is n2 by n1 is equal to d1 by d2. With slip only, n2 by n1 is equal to d1 by d2 into 1 minus s by 100. With thickness and slip, with thickness and slip, n2 by n1 is equal to d1 plus t by d2 plus t into 1 minus s by 100. Okay, this is a slip of the belt. Okay, slip of the belt. Next we go for the some of the problems depending upon this slip of the belt. Okay, next class. Thank you.